I am Mary.
Hello, my name is Jan.
And we are the co-founders of Biosency.
According to the World Health Organization, the chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, and also called COPD, will be the third leading cause of death globally in 2030. We decided to face these challenges and founded Biosency in order to improve the life of chronic disease patients by preventing acute COPD.
Based on real-life cardiorespiratory parameters monitored by BORA Connect, practitioners can confirm their prescription, adapt oxygen flow, improve patient management and patient quality of life.
BORA Connect can also alert the practitioners a few days before a crisis.
The pulmonologist then can adapt the treatment and avoid or at least decrease the intensity of the exacerbation and consequently the hospitalization stays.
A good fit is really key for properly sensing the signal and then the quality of measure physiological parameters.
So we were looking for who can look textile to close our wristbands.
So the VELCRO brand laminated strap offers the possibility to adjust the band on the wrist so that the device is perfectly positioned and deliver accurate measurement results all day long. This is really key for our product.
The medical team also brought support on biocompatibility. We didn't have the experience on material medical certification. The team provided us with test results and explanations. Our collaboration with VELCRO companies was key to answer the challenges we faced and most of all, to bring our product to the market.